My name is Portia Nyakron. I am the Admin and Corporate Affairs Manager of Wami Agro Limited. We are an agri-tech partnering with smallholder farmers to grow, aggregate and sell agricultural produce to factories, FMCGs and animal feed processors. We are operational in 4 value chains, that is maize, rice, soya and sorghum across 6 regions in Ghana. Our agricultural solutions are driven by our proprietary digital platform. We partnered with Blossom Academy due to its strong reputation in producing highly skilled data professionals. So we had 3 fellows from Blossom Academy joining the team last year, and I must say they've contributed immensely to the development of our tech. They contributed to the development of our tech strategy, which guides us in our tech development and execution. Following on with, after the internship period, we recruited one of the fellows who helped us iterate our tech solution to fit our target market. And we are happy to say that she is currently the sustainability manager for Wami Agro Limited. Indeed, the graduates they have even exceeded our expectations. They were able to integrate into our organizational culture seamlessly, and they were able to make significant contributions to the tech solutions that we administer to our smallholder farmers. So indeed, we are happy with the experience that we had with the fellows, and we look forward to future partnerships and collaborations. I would encourage all businesses and especially SMEs who may be limited in funds to engage Blossom Academy for excellent assistance in their tech development and their data team.